The Supreme Court criticized the West Bengal government for ending night shifts for women doctors, calling the decision discriminatory. A bench led by Chief Justice DY Chandrachud stated that women don't need special concessions but protection, pointing out that women work night shifts in many professions, such as aviation and the military, and should not be excluded in medicine. The court also ordered Wikipedia to remove the name and image of the deceased trainee doctor, emphasizing that revealing the identity of rape victims is illegal. During the hearing, Supreme Court reviewed the Central Bureau of Investigation status report on the case and expressed satisfaction with its progress, noting that further details could hinder the investigation. The court also instructed the West Bengal government to consider doctors' demands, including forming hospital monitoring committees and establishing a grievance system. Jai Singh indicated that doctors would return to work if confidence-building measures were implemented. A follow-up hearing is scheduled for the next week. The Supreme Court has issued an interim stay on bulldozer demolitions across various states, stating that no demolition can occur without its permission. However, this does not apply to cases involving encroachments on public roads, footpaths, railway lines, and reservoirs. The order came in response to a petition challenging the demolition of properties belonging to individuals accused of crimes which petitioners argued was being used as punishment, violating legal principles. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta opposed the order, arguing it would hinder authorities, but the bench led by Justice B.R. Gavai rejected this, stating that halting demolitions for a week wouldn't cause harm. Justice K.V. Vishwanathan emphasized that illegal demolition goes against the Constitution. The court invoked its special powers under Article 142, with the next hearing set for October 1st. The Supreme Court granted bail to Sunil N.S., also known as Pulsar Suni, the main accused in the 2017 sexual assault of Malayalam actress, due to his long imprisonment and the slow pace of the trial. Suni has been in custody for 7.5 years and is accused of conspiring with actor Dilip and others to kidnap and assault the actress in February 2017. Justice Abhay S. Oka and Pankaj Mithal noted that all the co-accused have been granted bail, and with 268 witnesses already examined and more trial steps pending, the process will take time. The court ordered Suni's production in the trial court within a week to finalize bail conditions, with the state government's input to be considered. Previously, the Kerala High Court had fined Suni 25,000 rupees for repeatedly filing bail petitions, which he did 10 times. Army personnel got a big relief from the Supreme Court as it quashed the criminal proceedings going on against the army personnel in the case of killing of civilians during failed military operation in Nagaland in 2021. The wife of a military officer had filed a petition in the Supreme Court. However, the court said that the army can take disciplinary action on its own. Let us tell you that on 4th December 2021, in a failed ambush operation on militants in Mon district of Nagaland, the army mistakenly killed 6 civilians, mistaking them to be militants. 7 people were also killed during the violent protests that followed. The Supreme Court has dealt a setback to the Mosque Committee in the Sri Krishna Janobi dispute case in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. The committee had challenged an Allahabad High Court decision, but the Supreme Court refused to stay the High Court's order. The High Court had allowed 18 petitions from the Hindu side to be heard, which the Mosque Committee opposed. While the Supreme Court declined to grant immediate relief, it issued a notice and requested responses from the involved parties. The next hearing is scheduled for November 4th. In a significant development for the Hindu side, the court has rejected the Archaeological Survey of India appeal in the ongoing dispute over conducting Jalabhishek, Dudhabhishek and Puja at the Taj Mahal during Sawan. The case filed by Yogi Youth Brigade State President Kumar Ajay Tomar claims the Taj Mahal is Tejo Mahalaya and seeks permission for the rituals. ASI argued that the monument is protected and its officials can't be sued. However, the court disagreed, ordering the Union Minister of Culture to be made a party to the case. The next hearing is set for September 24th. Watch our special program and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.